Imagine you have a magic crystal ball. But, this is not for seeing into your personal future. This crystal ball is special. It shows you what millions of people will want to buy next month, or even next year. For a long time, businesses wished they had such a thing. They tried to guess what customers would want. They looked at what they sold last year. They read magazines and hoped to find the next big thing. Sometimes they were right, but honestly, many times, they were wrong. Being wrong is expensive. It means having a shop full of things nobody wants to buy. It means losing money and opportunity. This old way of doing business was like trying to navigate a ship in a thick fog. Business owners used their experience and their gut feelings as a compass. They would talk to a few customers. They would ask their staff for opinions. Maybe they would run a small survey. But the market is huge and changes very fast. What a few people say they want is not always what the whole world will decide to buy. This guessing game was the best they could do. It was a slow and often inaccurate process. A wrong guess could mean the end for a small company that invested all its money in a product that failed to become popular. Now something has changed. That magic crystal ball is no longer a dream. It is real, and it is powered by artificial intelligence, or AI. Big companies like Amazon and Nike started using this technology years ago. They wanted to stop guessing and start knowing. They used AI to look at massive amounts of information. This helped them understand what you and I might want to purchase before we even know it ourselves. This technology gave them a huge advantage. They could make the right products at the right time and have them ready for us when we decided to shop. This AI-powered prediction is called demand forecasting. It is like having a super smart assistant who reads everything on the internet 24 hours a day. It reads social media posts, news articles, shopping websites, and online reviews. It looks for clues and patterns. It sees when many people start talking about a new type of product, like a smart water bottle that tracks how much you drink. This is not magic. It is the power of data. The AI connects all these small pieces of information to create a big, clear picture of the future. This picture helps businesses make much smarter decisions. So, how does this AI crystal ball actually work? It is all about data. Think of the internet as a giant global conversation. Every day, billions of people share their thoughts, feelings, and actions online. They post photos of their new running shoes on Instagram. They write reviews about a new coffee machine on Amazon. They search on Google for the best sustainable clothing brands. They talk about their fitness goals on Facebook groups. Each of these actions is a tiny piece of data. By itself, one post or one search does not mean much. But when you put millions of them together, a pattern begins to appear. Artificial intelligence is designed to find these patterns in huge collections of data. Humans cannot do this because the amount of information is simply too large. An AI system can read millions of web pages in minutes. It uses special techniques called machine learning and natural language processing. This allows it to understand the meaning and feeling behind the words people use. For example, it can tell if people are talking about a product because they love it, or because they are complaining about it. It can see if the chatter about a topic is growing quickly, which signals a rising trend. Let's take the example of fitness products. The AI might notice more people are searching for at-home workout equipment. At the same time, it sees influencers on TikTok and YouTube posting videos about new types of resistance bands. It also sees an increase in positive reviews for smart yoga mats on shopping sites. The AI connects these three separate signals. It concludes that there is growing demand for innovative home fitness gear. It can even predict which specific features people are most excited about, like portability or app connectivity. This is much more accurate than just seeing that one gym chain is closing down. This process is not a one-time event. The AI is always learning and updating its predictions. It constantly monitors new data to see if a trend is getting stronger or weaker. It can spot when a trend is moving from one country to another. For instance, a fashion style that becomes popular in South Korea might be predicted to become a trend in Europe 6 months later. This gives businesses a valuable head start. They can prepare their marketing campaigns and stock their warehouses. They are not reacting to the past. They are preparing for a future that the AI has already shown them. It's like Amazon built their entire business model around predicting customer demand. Amazon's AI recommends products to you based on your past purchases and what similar shoppers have bought. It even uses AI to decide where to store products in its warehouses. It moves items closer to areas where it predicts people will soon start buying them, allowing for super-fast delivery. This gave Amazon an incredible edge over its competitors, making it one of the most successful companies in history. Similarly, a company like Nike uses AI to design and market its shoes. The AI analyzes conversations online about sports, fashion, and street style. It helps Nike understand what colors, materials, and shapes will be popular in the next season. This means they can design sneakers that people are already excited to buy, even before they are released. This predictive power reduces the risk of making thousands of pairs of shoes that nobody wants. It helps them stay relevant and cool in a market that changes with lightning speed. These big companies invested billions of dollars to develop these complex AI systems. But here is the exciting news. This power is no longer just for the corporate giants. The world of technology moves fast. Today, these amazing AI tools are becoming available and affordable for everyone. Small businesses, entrepreneurs, and even individuals can now use AI for demand forecasting. You do not need to be a data scientist or have a massive budget. Many companies now offer AI software as a service. This means you can pay a small monthly fee to access powerful prediction tools through a simple website. It is like renting a superpower instead of having to build one from scratch. This change is a game changer for small businesses. Imagine you own a small online store that sells handmade jewelry. In the past, you had to guess which designs would sell best. Now you can use an AI tool to analyze social media and fashion blogs. The tool might tell you that necklaces with moon-shaped pendants are becoming very popular. It might also show you that customers are searching for jewelry made from recycled materials. With this knowledge, you can create products that are perfectly aligned with current trends. This helps your small shop compete with much larger brands, giving you a fair chance to succeed. Predicting the next big trend is incredibly valuable, but the power of AI in business goes much further. Once you know what people want to buy, two more very important questions arise. How much should you charge for it, and how many should you have in stock? Answering these questions correctly is crucial for making a profit. If your price is too high, customers will buy from someone else. If your price is too low, you might lose money on every sale. AI can help you find that perfect sweet spot for pricing. AI tools can analyze the market to determine the best price for your product. This is called dynamic pricing. The AI looks at what your competitors are charging for similar items. It also looks at the level of demand. If a product is very popular and hard to find, the AI might suggest that you can increase the price slightly. If demand is slowing down, it might recommend a small discount to attract more buyers. This is not about tricking customers. It is about responding to the real value of a product in the market at that specific moment. It ensures your pricing is always competitive and profitable. The second big challenge is inventory management. This means having the right number of products ready to sell. If you order too many, you tie up your money in stock that just sits in a warehouse. This is called overstocking. If you order too few, you will sell out quickly and miss out on potential sales. This is called understocking, and it can disappoint customers who might not come back. Both mistakes are costly. AI helps businesses find the perfect balance. It analyzes your past sales data and its own trend predictions to forecast exactly how many units you will likely sell. For example, the AI might predict a big surge in demand for outdoor camping gear before a long holiday weekend. It will then advise the business to order more tents and sleeping bags than usual. It can also do the opposite. If it predicts that interest in a certain smartphone model is declining because a new one is coming out, it will advise the store to stop ordering the old model. This prevents the store from getting stuck with outdated technology. This level of precision was impossible before AI. It helps businesses operate much more efficiently and waste less. The idea of using artificial intelligence might sound complicated, but getting started is easier than you think. You do not need to learn how to code or become a technology expert. The first step is to be curious and open to new tools. The power of AI is now packaged into user-friendly software that anyone can learn to use. Many of these tools offer free trials or simple starter plans. This allows you to explore how they work without making a big financial commitment. The journey begins with a simple decision to try something new for your business or your ideas. To get started, you can search online for AI trend forecasting tools or AI demand planning software. You will find many options designed for small businesses. These platforms often have simple dashboards with colorful charts and graphs. You can type in keywords related to your industry or product idea, like vegan leather bags or home coffee brewing. The AI will then generate a report for you. This report might show you how interest in that topic has been growing over time. It can also show you related keywords and trends that you might not have thought of yourself. The next step is to play with the data. Look at the patterns the AI shows you. Does it confirm something you already suspected? Does it show you a surprising new opportunity? Use this information to guide your decisions. For example, if the AI shows a rising trend for a specific product, you could create content about it for your social media. You could write a blog post or make a short video. This helps you connect with the audience that is already interested in that trend. You can also use the insights to decide what products to develop or add to your store. In the fast-paced world of modern business, speed and knowledge are what separate the winners from those who get left behind. Waiting for a trend to become obvious means you are already late. The real advantage comes from seeing what is just around the corner. Artificial intelligence gives you that vision. It puts the power of prediction in your hands, allowing you to make smarter, faster, and more confident decisions. Whether you are running a small company, planning a startup, or are just curious about the future, these tools can help you stay one step ahead of the competition. The future is here, and it is ready for you to explore.